Hey, welcome to my LMS unit that I plan to begin teaching in January. A Thief of Always is the title of my unit. I teach 5th grade reading, and this will be part of our fantasy unit. I'm using Google Classroom because that is what my district requires us to use in our everyday classroom, and I just thought it was going to be too hard to teach a new LMS system to my kids, especially with all the different transitioning and times of them with COVID and everything going on. It was just going to be too much to teach them a new one. So I've just kind of run with it with Google Classroom. So they are familiar with Google Classroom. As you can see, I have set this classroom up. It's Miss Guffey's reading class, A Thief of Always. Under the stream, the students know this is where I will type daily announcements or messages that they need to check daily for anything to update assignments or anything like that. So they know that the stream is the first place they always need to look when they log on to Google Classroom. They know to click on classwork will be where all the modules are located. I have created 5 modules. Each module will take 1 week to complete. The very beginning, I have a class introduction tab. Under this tab, there will be an introduction to A Thief of Always. There will be an introduction assignment the kids will complete on their experience with fantasy, and they will do this through a Flipgrid video recording. Then also, they will complete an online learning readiness survey. And then also, I have provided a fantasy anchor chart for them just to be able to go back and reference throughout this unit as well. Okay, just something that it would be hanging up in my classroom if they were in face-to-face classroom. Okay, so then, like I said, each module is 1 week long. I also have a requirements and resources tab. Under this tab, they will find the syllabus, the required technology, the equipment issues, ADA compliance, technical skills, the netiquette and expectations, the rubrics for discussion forum, as well as the rubric for the choice board, then teacher communication, and then the citations and ethical legal use of copyrights. Each week on Mondays at 10:10, we will have a synchronized session where we will all log on Google Meets. And other than the first module, modules 2 through 5 will discuss the reading that they have done for the week, and there will be a discussion prompt that they bring to the table each discussion. For Module 1, the Google Meets will just go over the expectations and the assignments for the entire unit. Also in Module 1, they will take a pre-assessment. And then assignment number 1 in each of the modules 1 through 4 is a reading assignment. They can choose to read the book digitally. They can also pick up a hard copy at school, or they can listen to it on YouTube being read to them. They can choose which method, and they can change it up from time to time if they'd like as well. Assignment number 2 is they have to complete summary notes for the chapters. Assignment number 3 is a discussion forum question. And then assignment number 4 is a quizzes over the required reading for that week. So modules 2, 3, and 4 are just like module 1 with the same type of assignments. And then in module 5, once the book has been read, our last Google Meets will be on that Monday at 10:10, and we will discuss the book in its entirety. And then their first assignment will be a quizzes over the entire book. Assignment number 2 will be a project choice board that we will discuss in depth of the different choices, and then also the rubric that will be used to grade it. And then assignment number 3, the culminating activity, will be an escape room that we will complete digitally together. And then they will complete the course evaluation at the end. So as you can see, my unit should take us 5 weeks to complete. I look forward to doing this unit digitally this year. I have taught this unit 2 other times, but never digitally. So I'm kind of excited to have all this already laid out for me, and excited to see where it leads us. Please welcome any feedback that you can give me or suggestions. Thanks.